Hi everyone and welcome back to Homeheadchef. Today we're going to be making a cinnamon vanilla honey butter. This is a fun take on a classic honey butter. It's going to go over very well around the holidays if you put it out on the table. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need a half a cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter softened, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/4 a cup of honey, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to place our butter in a bowl. And with a hand mixer or a stand mixer, we're going to whip this for about a minute until it becomes light and fluffy. Next, we're going to add in our honey. And we're going to whip this in as well for about another 30 seconds. Now don't forget to be scraping down the sides. Once the honey is fully incorporated, we're going to go in with our cinnamon and our vanilla and give this a mix for about another 30 seconds. And lastly, we're going to go in with our powdered sugar. We're going to mix this for about a minute. There you have it. That's our cinnamon vanilla honey butter. Now let's step out and get a taste of this. I got myself some toast. You can put this on bagels, English muffins, pancakes, French toast, dinner rolls. Any application that you use butter, if you just want to sweeten it up, you can use this stuff. Alright, let's get a taste. I like that. It's fluffy from what's missing it so much. It's not over sweet. Slightly sweet, not much. It's not going to ruin your dinner by adding this to a bread. The cinnamon and the vanilla complement each other very well. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for stopping in. If you're interested in my outdoor channel, I'll drop a link in the description. We'll see you in the next one.